Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GoSports is probably one of the most sought-after sports equipment brands in the market, offering a wide selection of high-quality products for various sports and activities, but with so many options available, choosing the right GoSports product can be overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the selection process, examining key features and specifications to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you get the best possible value for your investment. Number 5. GoSports Shuffleboard and Curling. Introducing a premium tabletop game. Enjoy shuffleboard on one side and curling on the other, all in one convenient package. It features a solid wood playing surface, ensuring a completely flat and smooth playing experience, unlike other brands that use flimsy paper. 8 high-quality rollers are included, gliding smoothly across the board, just like real shuffleboard and curling. Everything you need for hours of fun is right here. It's perfect for game nights, parties, or any family gathering. Gather your friends and family for some friendly competition. With its generous size of 45 inches by 13 inches, it provides ample space for a great game. It's the perfect size for any gathering. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting 2-in-1 game. It's the perfect addition to your game collection. What we like. It's 2 games in 1, offering both shuffleboard and curling. The solid wood construction ensures a smooth playing surface for hours of fun. If you're looking for a versatile and high-quality tabletop game for family game nights, this is the perfect choice. Number 4. GoSports Billiards Table. It's here. Everything you need for a great game is included, from the table itself to the balls, cues, and accessories. It's the perfect size for competitive play, yet compact enough to fit in apartments or smaller game rooms. Easy to store when not in use. Simply unfold the legs and you're ready to play. No complicated assembly required, it's that easy. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures stability, while the premium felt provides a smooth playing surface. It's built to last. This complete set includes 15 regulation balls, a cue ball, 2 57-inch cues, chalk, a felt brush, and a ball rack. You're ready to play right out of the box. For optimal gameplay, a 12.5-foot x 16-foot room is recommended. However, shorter cues can be used in smaller spaces for a more comfortable fit. What we like. This one comes with everything you need to start playing right away. It's mid-sized, perfect for competitive games but still easy to store. If you want a convenient and complete billiards experience without the space commitment of a full-size table, this is for you. What people say. The table arrived without any damages, which was a huge relief given its size and weight. Upon unboxing, I inspected the table and accessories for any damage or missing parts. Everything was accounted for and in pristine condition. The included full set of balls, 2 cue sticks, chalk, and felt brush were a great touch. Assembly was a breeze literally. All I had to do was unfold the legs and lock them, level the table, and I was ready to play. The process was surprisingly quick. The table itself is fantastic. The black finish looks sleek and modern, and the gameplay is smooth and consistent. The playing surface is very flat, so the balls do not tend to wander around or dip to low spots. Very pleased by this. The cues that come with it are light, no surprise, but they seem to be generally straight and true. They play well enough that I'm not worried about getting others. Number 3. GoSports BattlePutt. Get ready for BattlePutt, the exciting new game that combines the fun of golf and pong. It's easy to learn, and it's a blast for players of all ages and skill levels. It's a 2-on-2 competition where you and your teammate work together to sink putts into your opponent's cups. The first team to cover all their opponent's cups wins. Compete to sink putts and cover the cups after scoring. We've included standard game rules, plus some fun, pong-inspired party rules to mix things up. Bring it to your next backyard party, tailgate, or beach day. It's great for indoor and outdoor play, and it's sure to be a hit with everyone. It features an 11-foot long mat that rolls just like a real putting green. It's also compact and foldable for easy storage and transport. It's extremely portable and sets up in seconds. Everything you need is included, just add friends and get ready for some fun. What we like. It offers a unique 2-on-2 style putting game. The 11-feet putting green provides a realistic putting experience. If you are looking for a fun and engaging party game that's easy to set up and play, this is it. What people say. It lays out completely smooth and all the holes are nice and flush with the board. The build quality of the BattlePutt game is outstanding. From the clubs to every single component, it's clear that attention to detail and durability were top priorities during its design. It feels robust and well constructed. It folds up to be not much bigger than a large pizza box, so they sometimes bring it to their favorite bar or an outdoor party. Number 2. GoSports BattleChip PRO. Get ready for BattleChip PRO, the exciting new game that combines golf and cornhole. It's easy to learn and offers tons of fun for everyone. It boasts a sturdy 4x2 feet wood-framed target, a hitting mat, 16 foam balls, a scorecard, and even a convenient tote bag. You can take it anywhere. Challenge your friends to a 9-hole tournament. Keep score using the included dry erase scorecard. Different holes offer varying point values for added excitement. Board hits are 1 point, the front hole is 2, the center is 3, and the back hole is worth a whopping 5 points. Just bring your own club, a wedge is recommended. BattleChip PRO is perfect for all ages and skill levels. It's a great way to have fun and improve your chipping skills at the same time. What we like. It's a unique blend of golf and cornhole, offering a fun and engaging outdoor game. It's fully portable and includes a scoring system to add to the competition. If you're looking for a portable outdoor game that combines skill and fun, this is a great option. Number 1. GoSports Splash Hoop Elite. Get ready for endless fun in the sun with this premium pool basketball hoop. It's designed for durability and superior performance, bringing the excitement of the game right to your pool. It boasts a shatterproof backboard and a regulation-size rim, ensuring a high-quality playing experience. You'll feel like a pro every time you shoot. With its heavy-duty, water-filled base, it provides exceptional stability. It's easy to fill, empty, and move around as needed. Ready to play in minutes. It assembles in under 10 minutes, and all the tools are included. 2 premium water basketballs and a pump are also provided. This versatile hoop adjusts to accommodate players of all ages and heights. Simply adjust the backboard and rim height to your preference. Made from premium UV-treated materials, it's built to withstand the elements and provide years of enjoyment. Unlike other hoops, it's specifically designed for pool use. What we like. It's a premium pool basketball hoop with an adjustable height to accommodate all players. The water-filled base ensures stability, and it's built to last. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable pool basketball hoop, this is the one for you. What people say. Out of the box, I was surprised to find a ratcheted box end wrench for assembly. This made the process a one-person assembly. Instructions were simple and easy to follow. The base is substantial and holds enough water to prevent the goal from moving. The backboard is large and so far, very sturdy. The rim is powder-coated and shows no sign of delamination or rust reported by some other buyers. It is very sturdy and has a generous height adjustment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.